I'm gonna show you a cool copycat recipe. Now, you know, sometimes you go out to a restaurant and there's these fun things that you love to eat and you think, oh gosh, I'm trying to do this plant-based thing, I'm trying to be a little healthier. Today we're gonna make a Bloomin' Onion, and it's one of my favorite things too, with this really great sauce too. And it's really, really simple. All we're gonna do is we're gonna take an onion, I'm gonna slice the top of it off, I'm gonna leave the bottom because that's what's gonna hold it together. Very simply, I'm just gonna cut into 4 sections to start, and you want to leave a little bit toward the bottom to keep that onion held together. I'm going to divide it into 4 equal sections, and then I'm just going to make smaller cuts. What we're going to do is then we're going to take this onion and we're going to open it up and we're going to make it bloom. That's why it's called a Bloomin' Onion. Super fun. This is an air fryer recipe, so I've got my air fryer going right now. I got one in there. I'm going to show you here in just a minute. It's just about done. But it's really simple. We're just going to cut it up into these pieces in these even sections. And then what I've done is I've got my egg wash mixture, and I've gone to my trusty little Just Egg. I love this stuff. I actually read the other day that this company has sold the equivalent of 50 million eggs, this plant-based egg product. We've used it a lot. I love it. It tastes just like egg. Any preparation that you need egg for, you can use this product. Now I'm just going to take my onion like this. I'm just going to open it up. Look how cool that is. It's going to start to bloom. And I'm just taking my little egg mixture with some seasoning, some onion powder, garlic powder, some little paprika, just to give it a nice zest. And then I've got some breadcrumbs. So very simply, I'm going to bloom my onion, and then I'm going to dip it in my egg wash, really simply like that. Egg wash, really simple. And then into my breadcrumb mixture, and I'm just going to get that nice and coated. Right, I'm just going to open up those petals, going to make it bloom in here. And then what I'm going to do is I put it in my air fryer, and really easy, about 10-15 minutes on 375. Look at this. Look how great this is. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh, nice, beautiful, big, crispy Bloomin' Onion. Look at that. Opens up and blooms. You've got some great seasoning in there, a nice crispy crunch on the onion. I use the yellow onion because it's got a little sweetness to it. And it's so good. And then we're going to use our little copycat Bloomin' Onion sauce. It's like a mayo, ketchup, little horseradish copycat sauce. It's so good. Great for dipping. This is a great party thing if you're having people over. You could even bring it and reheat it really quickly. So that is the all plant-based Bloomin' Onion with our copycat Bloomin' sauce. And remember, for those of you that know, plant-based is the way to go.